Hey guys, welcome back to Jowers Technology Solutions. So earlier this week I did a video on clearing out your browser settings and also cleaning up your disk a little bit. So that will work plenty enough if you have a lot of files, a lot of temporary files or whatever that's been stored in your computer over time. But today I want to talk about actually resetting it. So if you have a computer that is 5 or 6 years old, you've got files on it, you've already did disk cleanups or defragmentations or whatever, you can do that. But if let's say you have a bunch of computers that been sitting around for a while, you haven't done anything with them or not much with them at least, and let's say that you just want to start fresh and without going to buy a new computer per se. So what you can do is you can do a simple factory reset, and with Windows 10 and Windows 11 especially, they made it a little bit easier where you can go in there and do that. And I had a lady today, she came to me and said, hey, I've got 5 computers sitting around, I want to get the data off, but I also want to just kind of reset them. I want to figure out which ones are worth resetting and which ones are not. So here real quick, I'm going to walk you through how to actually reset the PC. And there's the traditional way. When I say traditional way, I mean actually going through the web GUI. So I'll come into this box and then I'll click on this and I'll go to update and security. And then I will go to recovery. And then I will go to reset this PC and get started. All right, so you have 2 options here. You can either keep my files or you can remove everything. If you choose to remove everything, make sure you get all your files off of it and make sure you take a note of what programs you have installed on it, because this is going to take it all out and basically start it back from scratch like you just opened it out of the box. To keep my files, yes, exactly what it says. It's going to keep your files, but it's still going to wipe out all your settings and it's going to wipe out all your programs and everything else, and it's going to put it back to factory. So typically what I like to do just to give it a full restart is I will save all my files or all my programs like I just said, and then I'll hit the remove everything button. So I actually ran into an issue the other day where I did not have this recovery button here. Don't know why, but I didn't. So I ended up running a command on it. So I'm gonna go in under command prompt, and you should be the administrator. If this is just a local home PC or whatever, you should be the administrator. So go with that. But if not, you can go and hit run as administrator, and then it's going to pop up your box. You're going to hit yes. So right here, you're going to type in system reset and then tac factory reset, and that's going to pop it up just like you saw a minute ago. So keep that in mind. If you don't see that recovery tab there or recovery button there, then you can do it this way. So anyway, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to hit remove everything in this case because I don't care about this virtual machine. And it's going to take its cycle. Okay, it says just remove my files or remove files and clean the drive. So I'm going to say remove files and clean the drive. And I can't stress enough, make sure you save your files and take a note of your programs. That's one of the biggest things. So anyway, right here, I'm going to hit reset, and it's going to start the process. So another thing here that I'm not going to show you, but I'll just explain it. Sometimes you have a recovery media and sometimes you don't. So again, 9 times out of 10, I found it where you have a recovery media on there, and so you can just walk straight through the process. You have an internet connection, or maybe you have a local recovery media. But either way, it will download it, and then you're good to go. The other way is that I had a PC that I had to reset, and it said, hey, there's no recovery media. So I ended up having to get a USB stick and using the Windows 10 media creation tool in this case. I had to make it with the flash drive, and I had to plug it in, and I had to basically rerun the program file from the flash drive. So anyway, I'll make another video on that later. Anyway, guys, I hope this is helpful. And if you like it, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Have a good day.